Hi guys, my name is Michael. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego minifigure zoom stand. Fun fact about me, my favorite color is blue. So first you're going to need 3 2x6 plates, 2 2x4 bricks, 2 2x2 bricks, 1 1x2 brick, and 1 minifigure. First you're going to want to stack one of the plates on top of the other, and on the lower side you're going to want to stack the 2 2x2 bricks on top of each other on the 2 farthest studs, and as well as the 2 2x4 studs on top of each other as shown. And then you're going to want to stick the last plate on top of that as well, and flip it around and stick the last 1x2 brick so that there's a slight gap in between the two pieces. Now comes the fun step where you put the minifigure on top of the tiny platform you made, and now it's time to stick on your camera. This is what it will look like from your perspective, what it looks like for someone else's perspective. Thank you for watching and have a great day.